Are you struggling to find funding for your business? It's a common challenge, but one that can be overcome with the right strategies and knowledge. This video will guide you through the process of securing funding for your business in 2023, breaking it down into clear, easy steps. Imagine this. You've got a brilliant business idea. You've done your market research, you've got a rock-solid business plan, and you're ready to take the world by storm. There's just one problem. You need funding to make it all happen. First, consider bootstrapping. This means funding your business with your own resources. It's a great way to maintain control of your business, but it can be challenging to raise the necessary funds quickly. Alternatively, you could reach out to friends and family. They might be willing to invest in your business. Just remember to keep things professional and have a clear plan for repaying their investment. Angel investors are another option. These are individuals who invest in early-stage startups with high growth potential. They can offer a significant amount of funding, but they can also be very selective. Venture capital firms are similar to angel investors, but on a larger scale. They invest in high-growth startups and expect a high return on their investment. You could also consider small business administration loans. These are designed for small businesses that need moderate funding and have difficulty qualifying for traditional bank loans. Finally, there's crowdfunding. This involves raising money from a large number of people, typically in exchange for equity in your business. It's important to set realistic goals and have a well-developed pitch. Choosing the right funding option depends on various factors, including the amount of money needed, your stage of growth, your risk tolerance, and your long-term goals. Now let's recap. You've learned about the different types of funding: bootstrapping, friends and family, angel investors, venture capital, small business administration loans, and crowdfunding. You've also learned how to choose the right funding option based on your needs and circumstances. But remember, having a solid business plan is vital for attracting investors and getting funding. This plan should outline your business goals, your target market, your competitive advantage, and your financial projections. Securing funding for your business can be a challenging process, but with the right approach and plenty of persistence, it's entirely possible. So, take these steps, put them into action, and watch as your business dreams become a reality. Good luck!